Guys, we're gonna open some goodie bags that I have got from my friends today. Let's start opening the Pokemon bag. First, we've got this notebook. It's a Pikachu. And the bag is the same design. And let's open it now. We have so much stuff to open. Let's start opening. Alright, I've opened it. Oh, I didn't notice it's a bit shinier on the corners. This is what it looks like on the inside. It asks for your name. This is what it looks like on the front page. This is the back. And next one we got from the Pokemon bag is markers. It's a Captain America marker. It's cute. Let's see what the markers look like on the inside. Let me just twist the cap out. Ooh, we got some markers. Comment down below. What is your favorite color? Pink, blue, green, brown, black, purple, red, or orange, and yellow too. Now we're gonna get the bags. They are not color pencils. I thought they were color pencils at first, but they're actually like markers or something. Let's open it. See that? Let's test it on the book we've got. Maybe we draw a little heart shape. Wow, it turned so good, so satisfying. Now let me show you what I drew. I drew a little heart shape at the bottom. It's for memory. Next, on the Pokemon bag, we just got an orange balloon. It's just an inflated balloon. Yeah. And we've got this bookmark. It's not from the gift, but I decided to put it there. This is a bookmark I got from my school. It's really nice. It says, "The secret of happiness is to count your blessings." There are people dancing. We are happy, right? Now, we're gonna do the other bags. Let's do the unicorn one. This is the unicorn bag. First, we have extra space. I'll clean up this mess. Don't mind me. There will be a part 2, guys. Because we don't have enough space. The part 2 will be the same day. So, we don't have enough space for 2. Now, we have another balloon. It's a red one with dots. We've got slime. I don't want to play slime on the right now. There's these decorations. And what else? Just a bunch of food. We've got 2 lollipops and 1 cake bar. Actually, this one is from the other class I got it. This is lollipop. 2 lollipops. Now I'll show you the slime. Let's play it here. It's the perfect spot. Ooh, scared me. I almost spilled it on the carpet. Alright. Satisfying. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, there's a unicorn in there. Ooh. The unicorn can stay right here. Now we're gonna wrap her up. The decorations we have decorations. Oh, actually, we do have enough time to put in the other 2 goodie bags. Do you want to do the decoration, guys? Maybe there will be a part 2, and we will decorate, because I don't really want to decorate now. Let's wrap the ink on it. Sorry guys, it's quite hard to show this in the camera. Now this is what it looked like. I'll put it right in the container. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it makes a funny sound. Alright, coming. Now it's perfect, sort of. Perfect. Now we just gotta put the cap. The slime looks like a little ice cream. Like this, see? Now we're gonna do the cardboard one. Let's start. Ooh. First, we've got stationery. It's pretty that I don't want to open it. I'll just show you first. That's fine, guys. We have an eraser, and we have a pencil, and a book. Love you. And also a sticker. I can tell. Do you guys see the plastic for the stickers right here? Yeah, this one, start cake. I don't know if we have enough time to fit all of this in the video. I'll try my best. Now we got sticky notes. It's so nice. They're cute. A bunny as well. It's a drink and another bunny. It says Lucky Rabbit right here. You see that? Now, for the next one, we've got a highlighter. Let's open it. There are 6 colors in here. The highlighter looks useful. Wow. Let's do it. Oh gosh. Why is the pink one rolling away? Alright, this is what it looks like. Let's open the cap. Ooh. Wanna test it on our book? Let's do it anyways. Oh, in here. What does it look like? Normal pink highlighter. The rest I don't want to test. I want a notebook, actually. That's how I aim. I'll show you all the colors. Let's start from the rainbow. Yeah, the rainbow order. Purple's last. Yeah. So it's like an actual rainbow order. Start with pink. We've got pink color, orange color, yellow color, green, blue, and purple. These are all the colors. Let's put them back into the box. I'll do by sequence. Oh my god. It's satisfying to use these ones. What else do we have? Oh yeah. We have a lollipop. These are the snacks. I'll put the snacks right here. First. And yeah, I also have. What is it? Oh yeah, it's with me. I have this ring it's not actually for the potty bag. I just put it there for space again. And woo, we can make lights. I just like doing this. It's so pretty. You wear it and LED lights come. It's called an LED ring. How do you like it? Not sure if you like it or not, but I think it's pretty good enough. Next, we have, oh my god, this one is full of snacks. This one is from my transporter. She's really nice. And I'll take out some stuff. We have this one. Yum, fantasy stick. Cookie. We have chips. More. We have Oreo and Oreo. Oh, we also have marker pen. They're orange, purple, and a lighter shade of purple, blue, green, and black. What is this? I don't know, but it looks nice. It's a fine liner stabilo. Wow, it looks pretty nice and useful. We've got Jenny here, jelly, and we've got it's Peppa Pig form. I can tell it's squishy here. Yeah, I can tell the feeling. Alright. What else? We have an eraser. Another eraser. That's pretty much it. And we also have these two jellies we do not give. I just want to put in there for more space, like that and goodie bags. And this Pocky is also the same thing to here, but she already gave a Pocky here. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you have fun and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!